Saved views in Paperless Parts allows users to create highly customizable dashboards to stay organized and work more efficiently, and building out new views is as easy as selecting from a drop-down of variables. Let's take a look. In this example, we'll build a rolling action items log. Different views can be set to either private or public, making it an ideal tool for managing individual workloads or workflows across teams. Saved views can be organized at either the quote or line item level, and results can be displayed based on a number of variables. In this case, results are ordered based on the closest due date. To customize a saved view, select the desired filters. In this example, let's look at line items associated with quotes that are currently in draft. Users can customize what information about the quote or line item is displayed. Like an Excel spreadsheet or project tracker, Paperless Parts provides a high-level overview of parts that fit the selected filters. But unlike traditional tools, as status on individual items change, the view will update automatically. Let's take a look at another common example. If a shop requires a review process before quotes are sent, setting up a saved view lets managers quickly identify which quotes are ready for review. Since this view is for a specific person, it makes sense to set it as private. Like before, start by selecting the appropriate filters and sort it by due date so that the most time-sensitive results are displayed at the top. Set a filter to view quotes that are still labeled as draft. To view only those items that are awaiting final review, add a filter to show which items have already been through initial review. Customize what information is displayed by checking or unchecking the appropriate boxes, and easily reorder how information is displayed so that the most critical information, such as account and price in this example, is at the top, making it easier to review this information quickly and prioritize work. Although the saved view dashboard is highly customizable to fit your shop's specific needs, many people find value in a few standard saved views such as quotes or line items due this week, quotes that have been sent and should be followed up on by the sales rep, or quotes waiting on outside providers. Request a personalized demo with your own part files at paperlessparts.com/demo.